ngayon? Oo naman, basta nagtutulungan. Uy, ito guys, may nakita na kami pwedeng idagdag sa project natin. May nakita kami makakatulong. Uy guys, hindi nyo ba napapansin? May connection na naman ito sa variation. Oo nga, no, yung combined variation.
The time it takes to finish our project varies directly to the number of persons helping and inversely to the difficulty of the project. We will use combined variation. Para makita natin ang relation ng combined variation sa paggawa namin ng project, we will use the formula y is equal to kx over z. That's y is the time to finish the given project, which is 5. And x as the number of persons doing it, which is 6. And j as the difficulty of the job, from scale of 1 to 10, we rate it 6. Now we will solve for the positive variation. Substitute. 5 is equal to k times 6 over 6. To remove the remaining denominator, we will need to multiply both sides by 6. We will have 30 is equal to 36 times k over 6. 36 divided by 6, we will have 30 equals to k6. We will now isolate the k. Divide both sides by 6. Now we will have k equals to 5. 5 as the constant of variation.
Tama!
May isa pang shortcut. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ito. From the equation 5 is equal to k times 6 over 6, we can just simply cancel the 6. Now we will have 5 over k. Just the same with the other equation and the way we will solve it.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, no, guys. Ano variation sa atin? Uy, guys! Lapit kayo dito! Video Project 10! Actually, alam niyo guys, itong project na to, yung pinapanood nyo ngayon. Dahil ito ang aming performance natin ay ating
Dali. Baka pwedeng mamatayan. Ganito. Bakit ka nagbibidyo? Hindi ako kasama. Tama na. Start na tayo.
Oo nga, related pa rin sa kaya pa yung bawas-bawasan mo na yung nanonood.
Ay, ate. Take two.